the city have helped to build a new site on the west side for our Hmong people, Hmong American people. And today, this site is going to be condemned and rebuilt. Let's go. You don't have to hide in here. There are 3 people who are not willing to go as she asked them, and she had to negotiate with them. Those 3 people, one is handicapped, and the other one is so depressed and commits suicide. And the other one is the one of the 6 children got murdered by the mother, and is the youngest one who do not know where to go. The shaman is crying that, come on, my love friend, you could not stay here for sure, and you must be willing to go.